Here we're looking at expanding brackets, and you'll need this to answer the question at the end of this. We have 3 times by x minus 1, add 5 times by x plus 2. We have to multiply whatever is outside each bracket to what is inside. So 3 times by what's in the bracket. 3 times x, that's 3x. 3 times negative 1, that's negative 3. And we add it on to the other side. 5 times x, that's 5x. And 5 times 2, that's 10. And we're adding those ones. Now we have 3x and we have 5x. And we're going to simplify this, put those together. In total, we have 8x. Now looking at the constants, we have a negative 3 and we have a positive 10. An interesting thing to remember with algebra is that if you keep the operation in front of each number, you can move them around and it'll still work. So negative 3 add 10 is the same as positive 10 take away 3, and that's 7. So 8x plus 7. And there you have expanded and simplified. Here's another slightly different one that is worth being aware of. Here we have 4a outside of the bracket, and then we have a plus 2b inside the bracket. So we're taking 4a and we're multiplying it by a. Well, 4 times a is 4a, but notice that we've got 4a times by a. A times a is a squared, and then we're adding that onto 4a times by 2, which is 8, but we've also multiplied a by b, so that is going to be 8ab. Here's an example of the sort of question you could get where you would need to understand how to expand the brackets in an equation. So we have 2 gift cards, both have the same area. Work out the value of x. So the first one we have 4 centimetres, and we're multiplying that to find the area by the height, which is 4x plus 1. And we know the area is going to be the same as the other tag, which is 6 on the base, and the height is 2x plus 3. Now we need to expand those brackets out. 4 times 4x. 4 times 4 is 16, so that's 16x. And 4 times 1, that's 4, and we're adding those together. And that's the same as 6 times by what's in the bracket. So 6 times 2x. 6 times 2 is 12, so 6 times 2x is 12x. And then we're adding that onto 6 times 3, which is 18. Now we can do our linear equation. The smallest constant we have here is 4, so we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. So now we have 16x on one side, and on the other we have 12x, and we've taken 4 away from 18, so that's 12x add 14. Now we've got to take away the x on this side, so we're going to take away 12x from both sides. 16x take 12x, that leaves 4x, and that's going to be the same as 14. So we know what 4x is. We need to divide 14 by 4 to find out what just 1x equals. 14 divided by 4. Well, 4 goes into 14 3 times, and then there are 2 quarters left over. If you're giving your answer as a fraction, remember you can simplify that to 3.5, and if you're giving it as a decimal, that's 3.5. If you want to find more of my Maths YouTube videos quickly and easily, visit my website, click on the link for math videos at the top of the home page, scroll down for the section of maths you need, then click on the link for that playlist.